Hey there. Ever wondered what it feels like to make money while you sleep? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 passive income ideas that helped me build a consistent $1,000 per week. And yes, you can do it too. But let me be real with you. It wasn't easy at first. So stick around and I'll walk you through the ups, downs, and everything in between. 1. YouTube income. First up, YouTube. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't it easy to just start a channel? Sure, rating videos is the easy part, but making real money, that's a whole other story. The grind is real. It took me months just to hit that magic 1,000 subscribers, but once you cross that hurdle, things start getting a bit smoother. The trick? Consistency and making videos people care about. It won't happen overnight, but it's absolutely worth the effort if you stick with it. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk affiliate marketing. My personal favorite. It's like getting a commission every time someone buys something using your link. Imagine making money just by recommending products you already love. It's a win-win. The best part? You don't need to create the product yourself. I started small, just a few bucks a month, but once I found the right niche, it grew steadily. If you're patient, it can become a powerful income stream. 3. Digital products. Now, if you've got some knowledge to share, why not create a digital product? Ebooks, online courses, printables, you name it. This one does take some upfront work, but once it's out there, it becomes a set it and forget it income stream. I remember spending weeks working on my first ebook, but seeing the sales notifications come in while I slept? Absolutely priceless. 4. Investing and dividends. And of course, we can't forget about investing. This one's a classic. I'm talking about buying stocks that pay dividends, small but steady income, just for holding on to them. It's perfect if you like to play the long game. With apps these days, it's easier than ever to get started, even if you're a beginner. Just a heads up, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience is key, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. 5. Rental income and wrapping up. Lastly, if you've got a little more capital to invest, rental properties can be a goldmine. It's not exactly passive at first. You'll need to manage tenants or hire someone to do it, but the income stream becomes more hands-off over time. Plus, real estate tends to grow in value. Not a bad deal, right? So those are just a few of the passive income ideas that helped me earn $1,000 per week. But remember, none of this happened overnight. It took time, effort, and a lot of learning along the way. I hope these ideas inspire you to get started no matter where you are in your journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. And hey, let me know in the comments which income stream you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out the links in the description for some of my favorite resources. Until next time, happy hustling, and remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. See you soon.